Okay, here we are, day 2, Advent of Code. Won't be too much of an intro here. Basically, we got just under 5 minutes until it begins, so we'll spend that time scaffolding out our page. So here was yesterday's. I did okay at that. I think most of the struggle I actually had was with the environment, was figuring out how to read from file system and stuff like that. It wasn't the actual, and then I got stuck right at the end on one of the really stupid part in my brain. But other than that, went okay. So today, hopefully a bit more prepared, because I basically did it from scratch and whatever, so we can have a brief look at yesterday's final result. So I've got it down here, Advent of Code day 1. So that was the synopsis of what it is. Do that, turn these, get some data out. Here's the full amount, the full payload that was available. Whoa, hello. And then yeah, there was part 2, which was basically just get more info out of it and blah blah blah. And then yeah, so there's the final code that I put in there. And there's a video of me doing it. It took over an hour and a half because, yeah, reasons. This time, well, depending on how difficult it is, won't know. But so I've got a link to the new page here, which is currently a 404 because I'm yet to make it. So let's do that before the game starts. Let's put this over here, and we'll go to here. So this is yesterday's page. Let's start out with a blank page, so empty. Just copy paste that and call that AOC 202 chief for chew. Alright, so now if we let's have them side by side, and this one here. Right, so Advent. What? What's going on here? Did I go to the wrong page? Oh, there it is. I think it was. Anyway, so let's just copy some stuff from yesterday's. So, what do we want? Alright, so the title is going to be that, but that. Advent of Code 2002, so that, and that'll be 2. We don't need these. What we do need though is we got the main. Yep, that's sorted. So let's break this out. All right, let's set up our resources. So I know that this is a pretty good setup. So because as soon as we read it, then we can get straight into dealing with it. So there's our first section. Now, so resources, blah blah blah, Advent of Code day 2, and we don't know that, so this will be synopsis when we get it. This is the let's example data that they'll give us to play with. Well, so that will be what they actually solve it with. And then we'll make a payload to get the full data, which will be there. I'm assuming this will be follow similar thing yesterday, and I don't know how many lines yet. So we'll just put that there. Alright, now let's see how we look. Alright, cool. So now, resources day 2. Oh yeah, day 2, that's us. So if I open that, please don't repeatedly request the endpoint before it unlocks. Okay. What have I done? Oh, okay. Yep. Fair enough. It's not ready yet. Alright, but anyway, we don't have anything to go with yet, so we just have to wait for the countdown. Let's go back. Oh, it's just started. There we go, 10 seconds ago. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors. The elves begin to set up camp on the beach to decide whose tent is it. Oh yeah, streaming, cool. To be closest to the snack storage. The giant rock, paper, scissors tournament, okay, yep, is already in progress. Rock, paper, scissors game between blah blah blah, understand that, yes, yeah, I think we all get that. Appreciative of your help yesterday. Went off an encrypted strategy guide, your puzzle input, okay, and they say it would be used to wonder if this would be like an Enigma machine or something. First column is what your opponent's going to play, A for rock, B for paper, C for scissors. Second is suddenly elf is caught away, oh, okay. The second column, your reason must be what you should play in response, blah blah blah, yep, okay, cool. Alright, so rock, paper, scissors simulator. Since you can't be sure if the elf is trying to win or help trick you should calculate the score based on ideas strategy guide. Given the following strategy guide, so this is let's just put this into our test data. Alright, so we've got our test data. Now, in the first round, opponent will choose rock, and you should choose Dwayne Johnson. This ends in a win. Yep. Okay. Blah blah blah. If you follow the strategy guide, you would get a total score of 50. Hang on. What's the scores? Wait. Well, I didn't see the score stuff. I skipped over that. Total score is the sum of your scores for each round. The score for a single round. The shape you selected. Okay. So we need a thing there. Cool. Outcome of the round 0 if you lost 3 if the round was a draw, 6 if you won. Since you can't be sure the elf was trying to help you or trick you, you should calculate the score you would get if you were following the strategy guide. Example, suppose you were given the right. Okay. Alright, what would your total score be if everything goes exactly according to your strategy guide? Right, so in this case, in the example, we get a total score of 15, so 8. Let's try to understand what that means. So, right, so we get 2 for paper, so if we get 2 there, and for the win we get, how much do we get for the win? Six for a win, so we get 8 points. Hang on. B and X. So B would be scissors, yeah. Oh, hang on. Right. Eight plus 1 plus 6. Okay, so this is assuming that maybe we didn't choose paper, you should choose rock. So we lose score of 1 because we chose rock. So you can still score even though you lose. Alright, fair enough. Alright, so let's figure this out. First let's put in the scores. So, alright, let's write the synopsis. Score table. So we want a list. Rock. Let's put it like this. 1 for rock. 2 scissors. Oh no, hang on. Is it 2 for scissors? This is what I want to be able to just have on. Yep, 2 for paper, 3 for scissors. What about shotgun? Alright, so that's right, score table for selection. We've got the example data. Score table. Score for win equals 6. Score for loss equals 0. Alright, so we can pseudocode this out now. Score for loss equals 0. Score for win equals 6. Score for selecting rock 1. Okay, can it figure the rest out? Yes. Wow, that's beautiful. Alright. Cannot find. Oh, how about we const these up, bro? Alright, cool. So those are the major things. Now, so let's put this into our data set. So example data is going to be where did I put that yesterday? Here we go, AOC. Alright, so new file. AOC 202.202.txt. Marvelous. Alright, so we may have to refer back to this a fair bit. A little bit more scaffoldy stuff because this is what I fumbled with yesterday. We want to import file system stuff. Boom. And we want local. Yeah, so this, but we'll just call it data for now. So const local data URL equals 2. And how did we get this? So const equals the read file. So yep, that's cool. So the fuck did I do? Right, await fs. Yep. Cool. Then what do we want to do? They're all declared, but don't do anything. That's fine. So we haven't broken anything yet. Oh, whoops! No such file directory. What? What have I done? Pages. AOS. What have I done wrong? God, I don't want to lose all my time on bloody file reading again. AOC import metro local data equals read file local data URL. What have I done? What have I done? Oh, okay. Did I put it in here? Oh, I put it in here, dickhead. Oh, it's alright. Yeah, I'll put it up there because that's for when the final one is. Yep. Okay. Cool. Duh. Let's try again. There we go. So actually, this is the one I want to be working on for now. Yep. Cool. Alright. Glad we got that sorted. So let's just make sure that we're actually reading the file. So let's console.log this shit out. Local data. And boom, see if it comes up in the terminal. There we go, local data is that. Yep. Easy, easy, easy. Now, Now we've got to figure out the things. So for each of these, we want to basically let's not call it local data. Let's call it the data, because I'm going to put it on Vercel later. So we want to split this by thing and have it as each round. So the data dot split, and what we want to do is basically oh hello. Oh gosh. No. Go away. I'm going to have to turn Copilot off for a bit. Just disable it. I just want to see if I can turn it back on easy. Yep, cool. Because it's just going to do me wrong at the moment. Alright, so splits, and basically I need backslash, God, I think it's, this is where Copilot would be useful, but it seems to be not liking it. I think that'll work. So for each, so that's basically a new line. So for each new line, for the line, let's just go the line, spec ops. Now we'll put it into function, and what we want to do here is let's just log it and just make sure that this is working. Okay. This is what I do want my Copilot. It's really good at making logs. There we go. The line. Oh, that'll do. Spec ops the line. What am I missing? I think I'm missing a thing. Yep. Cool. Alright, boom. Oh no. Local data is not defined. What have I done? The data. Alright, the line AY. Okay, cool. So, alright, and it's picking up a final one, so we'll get rid of that one. Cool. Alright, the line. Let's just do a counter as well. So the line. Alright, the line 0, line, yeah, okay, cool. Sweet, so we got that going. Now what we want to do is figure out what the fuck to do with this data now. Now that we got data, okay. So. I want to have a look at the puzzle input. It's going to be right. So Z. Do we always know that Y is thing, or something has to be inferred? Hang on, let's see that puzzle again. Alright, let's just keep it over here. Alright, for now we might have to refactor this. Well, we will have to, but yeah. So how about what we do is So rock, paper. Actually, we don't want to modify the code. Sorry, the input data. That should be immutable. So no, I'm going to go back there. Now what I'm going to do is const Enigma rock equals A. And then const, let's call it Turing. Turing rock equals, oh, that's close enough, we'll figure it out. Oops. So X, Y, Z, is that, hang on. A and Y, paper, Turing scissors, yeah. Okay, so let's go one step at a time. Alright, let's figure out the score for the first one. So oh, there you go. Holy shit. I don't think that's correct yet, but that's close. No, we don't need that. Let's just log that as well. All right. Oh, that's going to be 2. Yeah, because it's always we can count on the data always. Yeah, that's fine. All right. So Enigma selection equals C. And so let's just let's do a little function that just translates so we can read it. Function RPS. Let's just call it shotgun translator. Alright, so what we want here is weapon, weapon of choice. Oh, hello. Oh, this. Okay. Now this is what Copilot is good for. Right. Return unknown. So now, instead of that, what we can do is shotgun translator Enigma selection, what's wrong with that? Undefined is not assignable. What? Oh, okay. Alright, let's see what we get in the old kit bag here now. Alright, rock, paper, paper, rock, scissors, scissors. Cool. Alright, we got ourselves a bit of a stew going on. Let's just keep this here so we can. Cool. Actually, I just because I want to look at this later and not have to do much dealing with aesthetics, I can sort of afford a little bit of time fobbing around, whatever. You know what I mean? Just so it's pretty as we go. Cool. All right. That doesn't change anything on here yet, though. So what we want to do now is. Oh, so let's figure out. Let's just actually show it on the thing, just so it's a bit prettier. Now, what I want to do is add a new section. So this, and we can go. Yeah. Do I want to check? No, just let's start again. So we go. So section. How do we? Oh gosh. Actually, no. Before we do section, I'll do so. H2 and what we want is the answers. See how that looks. Yeah, cool. Now H3 and what's the I just want to keep it. Here we go. Part uno. Alright, answers, part uno. Let's just put a massive div at the bottom as well. Let's put a massive padding. How big can we go padding? Alright, there we go. So we can fill that out later. And we'll do MT MT, what's the biggest we can go here? Just to bring that out. Cool. Oh, didn't do shit, man. Ah, fuck it, that'll do. So, answers part 2. No, wait, part, no, let's just go back to 1. So I don't get myself in a tizzy. And we basically want this same structure here. So, part 1. Don't need that much padding anymore. We don't need that anymore. Well, they didn't do shit. Yeah, whatever. Cool. what was I doing? So so instead of the console log, what I want to do is actually put in some data here. Well, when we got something useful. Let games begin. What? Oh. Alright, no, let's what I want to do is we want basically, what do we want? When do we want it? Let's call it a any, because we don't know what it's going to be yet. So idiot. So that can be a const because we're going to push to it. Let's current game. Yeah, that's an object. Yeah, cool. So current game. Current game dot. I'm not sure what that's going to do. Alright, let's just console.log current game. Current game, Enigma selection, yep. Alright, cool. So instead of that, what we can do is basically the same here, yeah. What have I done? Oh, what the hell? No! The select and copy stuff the last few days has been a bit wonky. No, I think I've gone too far into stuff. Current game, any Enigma, Turing. That's just going to be a string. Yeah, we don't need scores there. What's going on? There we go. Okay, current log, and then we'll go back down here and put fuck off. No, let's just put current game. It'll look stupid, but Enigma C Turing's. So that was the final game. That was that one there. Cool. So for each of these, so I just want to rely less on the console logging. God, where was I? Yep, so... ID, let's, yeah, line count. Let's put it in here. ID is number. Yep, ID, Enigma, Turing, blah blah blah. So effectively don't need these anymore. Oh, now we just want the shotgun translator as well, so I should be able to just do this. Alright, I can get rid of that. Oops, did that work? What happened? Oh, it's only showing current game. Yep. So, Enigma, scissors, Turing, bar. Actually, so that should be in a preprocessor. So put that over here in pre. Yuck. It's fine. When this is fatter, it'll make sense. I'll make it mobile friendly at some stage, I guess. Let's make it like just like that. Okay. What else we got to do? So, alright, now we should think about figuring out the scores, huh? So, game.push current game. Yeah, still log it for now. So now we've got the current game.push, and so now instead of this here, we can swap that out for games. Alright, so 3 games. Rock, paper. Okay, now let's also add a winner and loser. Lahu Zahar. Winner. Let's just go string for now. Let's have a thing which, so we've got a shotgun translator. Now we need a rock, paper, shotgun game decider. So holy shit. I'm going to fly with that, see how much work I have to do to... So it brings in the Enigma selection, Turing selection. If they equals that, then it's a tie. Turing, so hang on, if Enigma is rock and Turing is paper, it's that and that and that. And I'm going to have to come back in because I've got a feeling I might get tripped up if I just trust what it says here, but it looks pretty good. So tie and Turing and Enigma. So let's just check it at random here. So if Enigma chooses the rock and Turing chooses scissors, then Enigma should win. Yes. Alright, cool. Alright, let's trust it for now. And still shotgun. Alright, so winner chicken dinner. Let's just go chicken dinner. Alright, you gotta have fun, man. Alright, so chicken dinner is shotgun chicken dinner. You know what? Instead of that, yeah, let's just, so we don't confuse the actual output, but just have fun in the inside. So that one can be called shotgun. Whoops, shotgun chicken dinner. All right, there we go. Oh, hang on. Oh yeah, so no, that should come up as tie. All right, first little crack in the machine. Benedict's Cumberball sort of given up here. Alright, now if Enigma selection equals Turing selection. Need the translator. Lucky I built that. Haha. So, can I just... I'm not familiar with if I can just put the fucking thing up here. No. Let's do it in here. So, const Enigma... no. Enigma selection translated equals... Shotgun translator, Enigma selection, yep. And Turing selection translator equals that, yep, cool. So that, no, we'll just, so I don't want to do all these, I just want to do... Yeah, okay, it's fine. I'd normally do it differently, but we've only got like 10 of them to do, so it doesn't really matter. Wait, let's go back up. Ah, shit, I think that's fucked as well. So the Turing paper... so that... shit. Weapon translated equals shotgun translated. What if we do this? This looks a bit messy to me, but it'll work to start with. Anyway. Let's get rid of that. Oh, what am I doing? I put in too many things up here, didn't I? God, this is gonna get messy. Shit, no, I don't like that. No, let's find a better way because it's gonna get too messy and gonna lose track of bloody open brackets. And I hate that. So if that translated equals you know, I think I'm just going to have to translate them all up here and then don't have to deal with it later. So const Enigma Enigma rock translated equals shotgun translated Enigma rock. Cool. Alright, cool, that's all good. There we go. Winner, tie, bam. Alright, I need a 2-minute break, get a drink. Alright, where were we? So, we haven't even got to the point of scoring yet, and we've got 160 lines of code. Can't Elon hire me? I do lots of code, but that's completely useless. Alright, so we got tie. Now we need to... so we probably might have to track the other score in part 2, but let's just put the Turing score for now. So, where's the object? Turing score number. I don't think that's the proper way to instantiate that, but it doesn't matter. It's working. That's all that matters for getting the result here and showing or working out. So, yeah. Where were we? Oh god, already getting lost. Turing. What's this going on here? Whatever. It should never be undefined, but just want to shut these bloody things up. Actually, that's alright. Just make sure it's still working. Yep. Cool. Alright, scores now. Turing score. Okay, so we gotta add that as well. Current game ID, winner. What's that over there? And Turing score equals what? Shotgun score. I haven't even made it yet. Alright, fine. I wonder if this can actually add missing functions, see what it's going to do. Alright, where is it? Shotgun score, blah blah blah, string undefined. Throw new error, function not implemented. Alright, let's see what happens. Yep. Alright, well, as it is on the tin. Yep. Alright, Enigma selection, Turing selection. So, and then we should be able to go in shotgun chicken dinner. Get rid of the error now. It's fine. Wait, what was? Oh, I swear, this is just picks up random shit now. I don't know what's going on. Alright, so score. Let's just say game. Let's just say let's keep going with the shotgun analogy. Result equals shotgun chicken dinner. Enigma selection, Turing selection. Alright. Shotgun result is whoops. Duh. Shotgun result, Enigma. Okay. So do we need a case statement here, or just if? I think there's only there's only 3 ifs, isn't there? Oh, so hang on. Shotgun. What have we got? So that's the winner. We just want the overall score here, don't we? So shotgun score is the overall score. So let's make another. See, this is a don't repeat yourself philosophy going mad. So function shotgun game score. Right. Let's just flat that out for now. Turn 0 for now, and function shotgun weapon score. Oh, fuck off! Right, I hope it didn't break anything else. Right, that's cool. Yep, still works. So let's pad these out again, so that we're just going to go with the same here. I don't care that it's overusing the same stuff a bit, that's fine. So now the shotgun game score game results. Fuck! I swear, just the selection and stuff has just gone bonkers lately. It's so annoying. I don't know why. Sword to fly, perhaps I'll die. Oh, there we go. Score for loss, score for selecting rock. That's no. That's close though. Score for. Oh, I've only got score for loss, score for. I'll just put in just in case they change it. So const score for tie equals. Is it 3? Actually, no, it's probably actually in there. Yeah. Did I write that in the thing? No, I didn't. So let's fix that too. Actually, in this can be dynamic too. So score table for selection. So we can put in here score for selecting rock. Just make sure that's going to work. Yep. See if I put in paper there, that should fuck it up. Yep, cool. Right, so and then here score for selecting paper and score for selecting scissors. Right, score for win equals score for win, score for loss, tie. Boom. So score table for selection, and let's just make this a little prettier. Score table for outcome. So we'll just there we go. Bam. All right. It's never got this stuff to work against. Do we have the full payload? Oh yeah, there it is. It's not there yet, but actually, I'm gonna put this in. Actually, so that I'm going to make a copy of that and call it. I'm just going to call it 00 test data. How's that? I just want to be unambiguous about what I'm looking at if I come back and look at it in an hour or something. So data test URL. So test the data test equals actually I could have just done the same. The data, because I just want to deal with it later and not have to context switch back into other stuff. So the data tests. So now what we can do here is sort of go and I think that should be correct. What have I done? What'd I call it? Oh, test data. That's fine, yeah. Cool. Alright, so now we can go back here, because later on when we are doing in part 2, they might change the data. Pray I do not alter it further. And I don't want to have to, I want to keep it immutable. So while we're doing the test data, what actually shows up on here, I don't want this to be overwritten by the other one, because there's going to be thousands of them or something. Alright. Where are we? Right, so we're trying to return, God, I'm getting everywhere. So Turing score equals shotgun score, right? And all we should have to put in is that, and it should figure it out from there. So shotgun score equals the game score plus shotgun game score Is it always Enigma and Turing? Yep. Cool. That should be about right. So we're not getting any returns for any of this though yet. Yeah. So score 4. What? Oh, that's right. Because it's like that. It's like shaving the yak. If you've never heard of that term, just look it up. That's how programming works. It's like, what? I went to do that, and in order to do that, I had to do all this other stuff. I was like, what? It's like there's an episode of Malcolm in the Middle or something, and dude has to change a light bulb, but in order to change the light bulb, he has to change it, fix a squeaky door, and then he has to fix a shelf, and then he has to do. And the wife comes in and is like, "Why haven't you changed that light bulb?" And he's like, "Fixing a car." I am. Can't you see? It's hilarious. Oh gosh. Right. Anyway, what are we doing? We're getting Turing scores. Oh wow, we're already getting some result. Oh yeah, so we're getting the tie. Okay. Let's fuck this up just in case. So we don't actually need that. It's cool. So we'll see. It's a real problem if I put that there, right? Yeah, we'll immediately see that there's something really going wrong here. Now, so shotgun weapon score. I reckon Copilot should be able to figure this out. Enigma selection translated equals shotgun translated Enigma selection. We're only okay. We'll do that anyway. Do we need to actually do it translated? So if whoa, no, we don't need scores anymore for that. We need score for selection. If get out of the way. If Turing selection translated, there we go. Yeah. Cool. I reckon that's pretty close. We don't need that yet, so we'll just block that out. Fuck it. Just to shut it up. I just don't like having these over here. So shotgun weapon score is not selected. All right, we nearly run out of problems. Okay, so total score is shotgun game score plus shotgun. Wait, what's going on here? Weapon. Is that correct? Yeah. There we go. Oh, okay, this doesn't seem correct. Score for selecting rock, paper, scissors. No, so that's correct. Yep, Turing. We're playing the good guy, Turing. So what are they saying that should happen? The first round, opponent choose a rock, you choose paper, in the end a win for you with a score of 8. 2 because you chose paper, 6 because you won. Is that how it's working out? Yeah. 2 and Turing score. What happened there? Did we not get the W? Total score, shotgun game score plus shotgun weapon score, total score. What have I done wrong? This is where I just sort of go into a funk. Weapon score, game score. Okay, something's gone on wrong here. So, oh no, that's fine. That's for the final round. We want round 1. Right, so this is round 1. A and Y, yes? Yes. Enigma selection. That's rock. Weapon, oh yeah, we don't need. So weapon score is 2. Is that correct? 2 because you chose paper, yes. Now why didn't it select the win? Game score is 0. Why? Okay, what have I done there? If Enigma returns score for win. Oh, idiot. This is so. There we go. 8, 1, and 6. 8, 1, 6. All right. So now we should be able to populate it with real data. Before I do that, because I want to be able to retain this. You know what? I'm going to keep track of the Enigma score as well. Just, I don't know, anal. All the greatest ideas come to you like a dildo without lube. Alright, I want to turn this into its own function as well, because I want to be able to push in different data. So the test data, round 1 data, and possibly round 2 data. God, we've been going an hour already. Bloody hell. But, you know, look how much code I've got, Elon. 240 lines of code. That's I'm going 240 an hour. It's beyond the speed limit. Extreme speed. So like 8 hours a day. I could do 2,000 lines of code a day. Imagine that. That would be amazing. What was I doing? The Turing score. Alright. Enigma score. Now where else is this used? Alright, Turing score equals shotgun score. So see, bam, shouldn't be too hard. There we go. Yep. Ha. I'm glad I scaffolded these functions out first. Alright, cool. Now, as we can, alright, so I want to turn that into a function as well, this thing here. So, function is called shotgun bobulator equals let bob let bob you later. How about bob you now? Come on. That looks pretty good. No, it doesn't. No. Actually, that's some. I'm still going to call it that. Actually, yeah. Let's just wrap this in it. Shotgun populator. Let's call it the data, so I don't have to modify that, but I can modify where it comes from. Oh, go away. Go away. Current game. Right, so it doesn't have to return anything. So that can be return a void. That's fine. So this is going to screw something up badly. Yeah, so that's fucked. So now instead of the data, what we'll call it is So I just want to get this test data. So shit, man. Let's just call it data prod and data test. Because I'll have to modify those later, so don't need that. Actually, I just want to do something with them. The data dot length. Hey. So it might get confusing a bit later. And this just keeps the problems away from here. Alright, data.length and data test.length. What have I got wrong now? So we are using data tests. So data tests. You know what, I reckon do it all the way up here. The data test is not defined. Well, alright, I'll just put this right at the end. Not sure how it hoists in this. Yep, does it like that. Cool. Alright, so part 1. So part 1 test data. So test data and what the final. Oh, we need the final score. Now, is it easier to just add that number or just do it cumulatively? So when we're in here doing the shotgun bobulator, Enigma score. So all we need to know is the total score, right? That's all we're coming up with. So 15, we just need a final number. So you know what? There's better ways to do this. Like do it, but fuck it. We can refactor later. So they're all the constants. Let current game. Let's actually no. What's the array? Just array dot reduce. No, look, we'll figure that out later. I've done it a million times, but off the top of my head, I can't always remember. So we're just let Turing total score equals 0. Let Enigma total score equals 0. Alright, cool. Should be right, I think. And then in the down here in the actual output, test data. Can we just not context, bloody hell, what am I trying to do? Class. Overflow hidden, just to bring it, overflow scroll. Let's just make the height it's not doing anything. Alright, no, I'm not going to mess around with bloody pixels on this, so I'll just leave that. Should look okay on a mobile. Oh well. Where am I? Alright, enough dilly-dallying. What we want is so we got the test data, and then we want the result. So where's that? Alright, so strong score. No. What do they call it? Total score. What was it called? Turing score. Turing total score. There we go. Total score 15, right? So that's correct. That's with the test data. Oh, that's right. So, because I want to keep that there just for visualization of how it should work. What was I doing? That's why I went shotgun bobulator. So the data, and we can specify what the data is there. No, we should specify what the bar. Actually, you know what? I'm going to change something. So current game, blah blah blah. Games test. Wait. You know what? Test data doesn't matter. The where's the final data? I'm worrying too much about stuff that I should refactor later. Let's just get the results. All right. Let's just put a little alert on. Let's just say Turing score. No, player, because the person looking at this isn't going to understand what. Oh, well, they kind of are. That's all right. Player, opponent, and call that Enigma. Warning. Player score, opponent score. What? Really? Oh yeah. Okay. Alright, so that's using test data. Now let's go to prod data. So at the moment it's still the same. So in here what we want to do is change that to whatever is in here. Hit no. Alright. Nope. Oh, okay. So now what all we have to do is change the shotgun mobulator to use data prod. Oof, it's doing a lot of calculations there. I should turn that off. Alright, oh gosh. Well, let's trust the process. It's just played 2,499 games. This. All right, let's clean this up a little bit before we. Oh god, no, I don't want to clean up. I don't want to clean my room, Mom. All right, let's get rid of that. Don't need that. Ah, wait, that's not correct for him, so let's not report that, because I can't be bothered rewriting that for him unless it's part of section 2. Oh, this is wrong as well. That's why, no, we're not even going to show the Enigma score right now. Alright, should put the test data up here, but fuck it. No, I won't even show that. Actually, if I just make it so that we can expand it. I've got a thing that I can already add to it. What is it? Alpine? Components card Astro. What the fuck is this? No. Ah, yuck. Alright. Let's just not show the test data for now. Alright, part 1. Test result 15, so right, cool. Alright, hang on, need 3-minute break. Okay, there's the bell for round 2. How are we looking here? Yep, cool. Alright, so, day 2, continue. Elf finishes helping with the tent, sneaks back to you. Anyway, second column says how round needs to end. X means you need to lose. What? Y means you need the end of round and draw, and Z means you need to win. What? Okay. Total score is still calculated the same way, but now you need to figure out what shape to choose so the round ends as indicated. The example note goes like this. The first round, your opponent will choose rock A and you need... Oh, okay. Second round, your opponent will choose paper and you choose rock, so you lose. Third round... Now that you're correctly decrypting the ultra top secret strategy guide, you get a total score of 12. Right, so it's the same inputs. All right. What's different now? What? Hang on. In the first round, right, so what's the thing? The second column says how the round needs to end, so X means need to lose. Y means need to end the round in a draw, and Z means need to win. Do we have to completely recombobulate all that stuff then? Score table for outcome. Alright, so we'll go back to test data. Oops, where was I? So the score is still the same, they don't change, but now what we select is different. So on the Y, what they say, the Y is a draw. So I also have to select whatever he selected. Alright, let's scaffold out part 2. So I think we're going to be... Alright, so we've got 2 different games that have to play now. So, games... You know what, I am gonna do this now. So games test, const, games 1. Come on. So we're going to run that 3 times, that's fine. Now the bobulator we're going to have to put in, so not just the data, but the... now can you pass by reference? The game? Okay. So that'll be the games dot push. I don't know, do I just like do that? No. I'll just put in... I just want to get rid of all these bloody things. Actually, I can do all this at the bottom. So where's that outside of that? Where's our example data outside of the thing? Where's that? There we go, back inside. Back in business. Alright, so we don't need to hide that now. Oh. Oops, games, test. Cool, alright. Back to square one. Alright, resources, got that sorted. Now the answers. Part 1 is done, test data. So that one there. Let's have a look at the only stuff that we should be showing in here. Oh fuck, let's clear the screen. Alright, that's because I'm console logging that motherfucker. How do I just not have it be an error? I'm just gonna... Alright, games test.length, games 1.length, games 2.length. So, effectively, should be able to do this and change that to data prod games 1. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I just want to not have to use that and not have a problem listed over there. Fuck it, get rid of it and just deal with the problem being there. Actually, it's not even asking for their score, so you know what? Let's just remove all that altogether. There we go. All right. Games 1.length 2,500 games. And what do we get? Right, so 15,587. Cool. So that's the correct result. Now, so games 2.length. Now, if we put it through the combobulator, I think do we have to make a new one, or can we just refactor the shotgun bobulator? Let me do that. Maybe I should just run the games. Oh god. No, I think I have to break this out to... Yeah, no, I have to do it. Because if I shotgun score, so Turing selection, oh god, okay. Hopefully this isn't going to take super long. So if I get... Hang on, what's the other one? The test data. So if I get a Y, it has to end the round in a draw. So also choose rock. How do I, have I got like some kind of I don't know. Sorry, my words are... How do we do this? So the data in the games is fine. Something has to change here. So current game line counts. So the Turing selection, this is okay. So Turing selection, we have to specify a method here of whether it's method 1, which is so in Shotgun Translator, this is where the magic has to happen. So if weapon of choice, alright, let's call it because this is effectively, we sort of know the outcome, so we have to push it. So you were totally minority reporting this one, so precog Boolean equals false. There we go. So what? No, don't do that. So if precog, no, that's confusing. So if precog, then we do stuff to it. If not, so that doesn't destroy the other one. So we don't. That's not regression. Where are we here? So answers, part 1, Turing total score. I'm not sure if this is suitable or not. I just want to get rid of all these as much as we can. So shotgun bobulator, no, I think we'll stick with that for now. You know what? We can return a thing now. No. So what we get rid of that too. So Turing score is still going to be the same, just depends on the translation, but Turing total score, then we return that, and then instead of having them listed up here, get rid of them there and put them down here. So console, const Turing total score test equals that. That'll prod games 1, and do we need to? I guess we don't need to do that anymore either. Oh yeah, we do, just because we want to show it up here. That's fine. Right, so it's actually doing game 2 as well, but it's obviously going to come up with something wrong. Oh, scheiße. So in here, when we're getting the Turing score, so shotgun score, so shotgun translator needs to, we have to specify this further up. Oh god. You know what? No. No, we won't have this here because we just want this to be a pure translator. So, where's the lowest level we can specify this? Ah. So it's before that. So before we even do this, we want to specify here Turing score, shotgun score, Enigma selection, Turing selection, but we want to precogify. Alright. So, precogify the selection. Oh, fuck off! So if if no, just let me do this. No, don't fucking. Alright, I'm turning you off. If precog turn So basically what we want to do here is precognified Turing selection. What's wrong here? Oh, it's a string. What we need to do is specify should so draw is y x draw lose win so draw lose win let's go with tie. That's what we've been doing. Win equals this. I'm not sure if this is the right way around. We'll have to check this. Lose equals draw is y, right? Lose is x. Yes, so win is z. Right. Sorted. Precog is not defined. Wow, it's in the future, man. Hasn't happened yet. Could do some quantum bollocksing on this one. Selections. Okay, so basically, where were we? Precognified Turing selection. So precog equals boolean equals false. So we need to run this up the chain. I know there's probably a better way to do this, but I'm just going to send it through so we know where it is at all times. So if precog, then if the selection oh no, we need to bring in Enigma selection and right, this is the only way that we have sort of foreknowledge of what's going on, is we need Enigma's thing. This is the only place where it's used, yeah? like shotgun score. Yeah, it's only 2 places, so I can modify this. That's fine. Shotgun score, pre-qualified ones. That's actually, in that case, it can probably bubble down, can't it? No, I'll do it here. That's fine. There's multiple ways to do this, but just trying to find out the way that's going to be at least dodgy. Oh man. Okay. What the fuck was I doing? Alright, so if the selection equals precog tie. Oh god. Need a whole. I should have made a state machine for this. Too late. Maybe another day. So precogify this selection. Now we need to know Turing selection. Now let's stick with Enigma selection. String Turing selection string. If Turing selection equals precog tie, then we just have to match it. So Turing selection actually no, we don't even have to. We don't have to supply. Yeah, no, that's fine. Alright. Just to be so. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. Oh no, we still. We do. If Turing selection equals precog tie, so it's not selection in this case. It's going to be Turing. Turing outcome. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave the Turing selection there. I'm just going to get confused with the wording as we go. So Turing selection, precog tie. Precog selection equals Enigma selection. Alright, that one's easy enough, right? Let's just check that. It's going to be, we're going to get wrong answers, but it's fine. Boolean is not assignable to parameter type string. What? Ah. I just want to make sure I don't break it. If... What? Oh, no. Oh, that's right, I turned our little helper off. Oh, okay. That'll do. Oh no! That's not to run through the whole shebang. Just turn the other two off. Right, cool. So our example data, our test data, now we're getting something a bit wrong, screwy here. So we're getting obviously something like this is coming through. And oh god, where are we? I'm losing my bollocks. Right, so fuck. Where's the test data? Total score test is that. Right, so shotgun bobulator, and now we are doing true. Right, here we go. We got something different now, which is so precog is true, current game, blah blah blah, shotgun translator. So the Turing score is shotgun score. We're sending through the Enigma, and then we're precogifying. So this is the bit that's console.log ENO. Where's that coming through? Oh, here we go. Enigma is A, 2 is A, pre is A. Okay, so the opponent is coming in with an A. We are going for the tie. Oh, let's do a precog translator. No, hang on. No, not that. Alright, so that should give us a... Right, so Enigma chose rock, Turing chose needs to tie. So Enigma outcome Turing. Right. Right, so that one's correct. Enigma needs to choose rock, outcome needs to tie, Turing chooses rock. So, if Turing selection equals precog win, then precog selection equals shock chicken dinner, no. No thanks, but no. Here's a participation trophy. I don't think you're going to be useful for a while. So precog selection equals, so Turing selection equals precog win. If oh, actually it might. If Enigma selection equals Enigma rock, precog selection equals precog paper. Yes. Otherwise, if okay. Wait. No. Precog selection equals Turing paper. Precog selection equals Turing turret. No. Turing. If Turing selection equals precog win, and if Enigma selection equals Enigma rock. Enigma rock is A. Enigma selection. Oh, man. Turing. Okay, so Turing's still getting an ASDF. So he's chosen, Enigma has chosen paper, so Enigma, oh, okay, so there's still one more, isn't there? The win one, oh yeah, okay, so the win one worked, I think. Chose scissors, outcome win, Turing chooses rock. Yeah. Basically, let's just see if we can figure out the rest. Holy shit, that is cool. Bam. 4, 1, 7, so 5, that's 12 points. What's it saying it should be? Score of 12. Holy shit. knew it would come together. Alright, well, let's unleash it on the thing. So now if we go back to, oh no, what am I doing? Gosh darn. What do you mean it's never used? Oh right, yeah, because I didn't. It's fine. So that's 2. Now we want to see. Let's go back and actually run this one. So whoops. So we'll do that. That should still come back with 15,000. Whoa. Actually, we don't need that, do we? Oh yeah, yeah. What's it returning? No, it just needs a Turing total score now. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's fine. So that's still coming back correctly, but this one is not. So Turing score is now shotgun score, precogify, Turing selection, precog. So we specify precog up here as false typically. So if I go false, this should go back to 15, yeah? No, oh shit. Oh, that'll be, there's going to be something in here. Alright. I'll put that back in and we can see what the games are coming out as now. Okay, let's turn the others off again. Fuck. Right, so they're all coming back as shotgun now. So the translator's not quite working. Precog translator. No, that's fine. It's the shotgun translator. So somewhere in here it's returning thing. So if Turing select, if precog. Oh, dickhead. Precog selection equals Turing selection. So we can do this now. No, 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 no. I can see we're going to go in circles here. I think that should work anyway. Yeah, it does. Sweet. Cool. Alright, so that should be 15. Right, cool. So if I turn this back on to true, 12, yep, cool. Alright, so games 1. I should be able to do that without supplying it, and I should come back with 15,000 something in here. Yep, 15,572. Let's turn off the thing again. Scheiße, where is it? There. Hang on, what happened? Oh, yeah, that's fine. That's there, and now we've got to test it on this one. So that one, shotgun bobulator, games 2 and true. $16,098. Well, let's trust the process. Boom! 1 gold star closer. Sweet. Alright. How long do we take? Just over nearly 2.5 hours. Craps. Is there a leaderboard? Yeah, I guess I'm not going to beat any of these guys, but let's see. Personal stats. Rank 15,907. Oh, that was yesterday. Today, 23,000. Oh. That's pretty cool. Alright, well, that's that. There's the thing, or the example data. So the answers, part 1, test data is hidden, but I should make it showable. Part 2, test data is hidden. And I'll put in, so from yesterday what we did was also, I'll have to modify this, but basically here's the code. So where's the oh, what the hell is going on? No. What happened there? Oh God, go away. No, don't go away. Where's my thing gone? Far out. I don't know what happened. Anyway. Oh, bloody hell, you're just more trouble than you're worth sometimes, dude. So basically I'm just going to, I'll clean it up a little bit, but effectively what I'm going to do is, so anyone else can play with it later, is go like this. I don't need the other stuff, but basically that goes into here. Hopefully it doesn't mess stuff up. Oh shit, it does. Ah, okay. Come on, it's all code, man. Yeah. That's not going to work. Anyway, that'll do it. It'll I'll get rid of that. Because basically it's going to look, it's going to be. I'll just put a tiny little bit in there. Actually, no, I'll show you the previous version. So it'll be. Oh no, what's going on? So down there where it's got the code thing, it'll actually look more like this one, which was yesterday's, and so there's the final code. So anyway, yeah, that was a bit of fun. Now I've got a bit of clean up to do and then publish, and yeah, have sleep. Bye bye.